Wametengeneza sia barabara.
Barabara iko mbaya sana na barabara ya Uganda. Ishakuwa na barabara ya Kongo.
Asubuhi saa ile si bado.
Truck drivers, fishmongers and
tengeneza sia barabara.
Barabara iko mbaya sana na barabara ya Uganda. Ishakuwa na barabara ya Kongo.
Asubuhi saa ile si bado.
Truck drivers, fishmongers and border riders are crying out for help over poor state of Nyaravur, Parombo Road. It should be noted that the road which connects traders from Arua, Zombo and Nebbi to Parombo and Panyimu markets respectively is in deteriorating state, hindering businesses. A part of this road connects farmers to the nearby markets, but due to the appalling state, and this has become worse during rainy season, as this condition has been for years now.
Buda man, kudi Parombo. Watika lemo peko pangudu. Watika kati peko pangudu gamente wayero gimako yubu ngudu gosi. Wade ongo pepin makende. Anta wade ngudu rebadi wamaleni. Gosi ngudu remakutu kwa mando ke. Ketu atemu business. Dongwa kwa gamente mitu ya buangi. Gosi kawone ni wayero ge kum ora biz kiseto. Gibe tiyo. Ora mubinu kido kendi bangwa makodo wayerge.
Yasin Feta, a truck driver from Arua City, says there is need for current district council to consider the road. According to Feta, he has spent 2 days on the road pending money to youths, helping him to push his truck.
We are suffering. We are appealing to the government to see how they can help on this road. This road is bringing them a lot of revenue and a lot of taxes we are paying, but we are suffering now. It's almost 3 weeks we are suffering on the same road. Second thing, we are appealing to the district leaders to help us to see how they can help on this road. They are making other parts, they leave other parts they don't make. Doesn't show good. This is the same land, same country, and they have to make one thing all should be uniform. Than making it different, they leave the other one.
However, Honorable Richard Jakoma, District Male Youth Councillor Nebbi District, blames government for not doing enough on infrastructures in Greater Nebbi. According to Honorable Jakoma, the road is important as it brings revenue to the government.
I am not very happy at all, simply because of the challenges we are facing in Nebbi. The nature of the road we have, it is so terrible that we are almost getting disconnected as we are not in Nebbi. The road that is from Nyaravur going to Parombo, that road, the state is so poor in such a way that now people are spending their nights along the road because the road has become impassable. So I don't know what the government are planning for us. It is the government that I serve, it is the government that we are serving, and it is the government that we are working for. But now it is to our disappointment. For us as leaders, we cannot now even move. We cannot even use the road because people are over complaining on us. But this is the same government that we are serving. So we call upon the government, the government officials, the higher government to consider us so that we would be in position of also moving around. Parombo Nyaravur Road is the road that gives a lot of revenue to the district, a lot of revenue to the country, Uganda, but this road is not being considered.
The demand for the road rehabilitation comes at the time when government disbursed 1 billion shillings to each district, municipality and city for roads maintenance. Recently, a group of youths in Greater Parombo demonstrated over the poor state of Ahila Bridge on the same road, but nothing has been done. Alfred Jawok, West Nile TV, Nilecast.